Hey guys, welcome back to another Clean with me. In today's video, I am tackling the entire house. My house seemed to be a disaster again, so let's go ahead and get started. So first, I am starting off in my bedroom. I am just changing our sheets. I'm gonna wash these and then I'm gonna move on to my son's room. His name is Liam. He is 5 years old, and you'll see his room. It is a complete disaster. Next, I'm moving on to my daughter's room. Her name is Brystal. She is 2 years old. And then I'm going to put her sheet back on her bed, and then we will move on to the next.
I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about.
This week I was more focused on getting things tidied up and wiped down. I wasn't really doing a deep clean, but in my bathrooms I do wipe them down every week, and I always clean the toilets every week just to make sure that everything stays clean, because between my husband and my son, the toilet gets nasty.
Stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees.
So you will see me walking around with a trash bag, just putting trash in the bag, because my kids had gotten some more Christmas presents, and so there were boxes everywhere. There was just trash everywhere. I had a death in the family this last week, and so the funeral was this week, and the house really just got out of hand without me home to keep it tidy. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just walking around with a trash can, picking up all the trash.
Upside down, I just don't know what to do.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution.
I do have a Dyson V7 vacuum, but you know, sometimes you just need to use a traditional broom to get up all of the dirt and grime and, in this case, cereal. So I just opted for the broom this time.
Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time.
Moving on to the kitchen, as before, I am just continuing to put trash in this trash bag, and let me know down below if you're in the same boat as me, but my kitchen, it gets out of hand so fast. If I don't clean it every single day, it will be a complete disaster like it ended up being this time. I didn't cook a whole lot this week, but the kids and my husband had a lot of easy dinners, so there was just a ton of dishes in the sink that I needed to get done, stuff that needed to be wiped up and cleaned up, because Lord knows nobody can wipe up anything in my house. Same with the kitchen table. My husband had taken the kids out to eat, and they just put their trash on the table. We had gotten some new shoes, so we had boxes of shoes. There's a laundry basket over there. It is just a complete disaster, so I was so happy to get this cleaned up. Now that the dishes are done and everything is wiped down, I am just finishing up the kitchen by giving it a quick sweep. As I said before, I was not into doing a real deep clean of the house. I just wanted to focus on getting things tidy for the week. So I did not mop this time, but mopping is coming in the next video.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
I am just finishing up this day with a load of laundry. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you the motivation you needed to get something done. If it did, please share this video with your friends and let them know that you got something done today. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. Other than that, I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.